How to recover or disable Facebook account. Hello everybody. If you're having this kind of issue that your account has been disabled, in order to fix it, you may follow this step. So for that, you may head over to Facebook Help Center. Go ahead and type in it in one of your browser and head over to Facebook Help Center directly. After heading over to Facebook Help Center, wait for the page to load out completely, and you need to look up for the article of disabled account. So you may use the search bar at the top and type in disable account. After typing here, you will be finding that my personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. Go ahead and tap on that first option. And then when you go ahead and tap on it, here, if you have your account has been suspended, it has not followed the community standards of Facebook. So it is not visible to anyone and you can't use it. So in order to fix it, the only method you can apply up is appeal a suggestions. So in order to appeal a suggestion, you need to log in into Facebook and we have different options. Otherwise, what you can do is tap this option of was this helpful under this article. So go ahead and tap on no. And here we have this solution doesn't work. You may select that. And here we have this optional option where you will be getting a description box. So all you gotta do is simply in this section, go ahead and type in how you want to recover your disabled account. Just go ahead and type in every details here. After that, tap on submit. Once you submit it, wait for Facebook to read your report and help you out. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.